Long ago, there was a woman named Corazon. She was once known as a kind and gentle woman. She lives in a modest house full of such beautiful flowers and charm. It was her kind of life and a source of ultimate gladness. But everything changed the day her lover, Paco, left her to be with another girl. It was a grim, cruel, heartbreaking moment, the likes of which no one has ever felt. That moment changed her life forever. They say she locked herself in her house for days, crying, until one morning she stopped speaking to anyone. She began collecting old, strange books, reading until midnight, mumbling strange words under her breath. As weeks passed, she no longer looked the same. Her eyes turned cold, and her laughter sounded like it came from someone else. Some said she was studying old magic, not the kind you see in fairy tales, but the kind that binds the heart and curses the soul. Rumor spread that she swore revenge, saying her pain would be felt by those who broke her heart. Then one night, her house went completely dark. But before she disappeared, she was said to have written her final words, spells and curses, in an old, dusty book. No one knew where she hid it. Some believed it was buried under her bed. Others said it was sealed in a chest, waiting for the wrong hands to open it.
Alright class, for your Spanish exam, I want you to make a Spanish performance. You have to be creative, be dramatic, make me proud.
Sir, any topic?
See Anna, it has to be in Spanish and not in Tagalogish.
Eh di wow, mag-Google Translate naman to sini. So just practice at home, guys. Nakakamukha naman ang bahay ni Tinta. Wow, ang ganda naman. Exacto kaya ito. Guys, tingnan mo ito. May nakita ako sa cabinet ni Tita Corazon. Talaga? Basahin mo nga, baka useful. Ano kaya ito? Ang hirap naman pronounce ito. Ay, ito. Ventus ferat dolorem meum ad ium, flammat tangat nomen eos, ot adorem meum sintiat in eternum.
Uy, ang bongga pakinggan. Parang di naman Spanish. Bakit parang Latin? Ay, di ba same yun? No, magkaiba yun. Really? Josiah, di ka nga. Basahin na natin ito.
Ventus ferat dolorem meum ad ium, flamma tangat nomen eius, ut ardorem ad ium, flamma tangat nomen eius, ut ardorem, centus ferat dolorem meum ad eum, flamma tangat nomen eius, ut sentiat in eternum.
Guys, bakit kumawala yung baso? Pagkakapasok sa yung bintana!
Ay, pagkakamin lang yan.
Ha?
kwento pa dati, yung tita mo na naloka? Yung sinabi yung magkukulang?
OMG, may lahi kang mukhang magkukulang.
Mahimik na kayo? Hindi ko naman alam na broken-hearted witch pala yung tita ko, no?
Ano may kang kasalanan ko sa'yo dati? Sorry ha. Huwag mo kukulang, please.
Ayan kasi, magjowa pa, tapos kung masaktan, magkulang. Mabait naman daw yung tita ko dati. Naging lokal-lokal lang, ang iniwan siya ng loob niya. Sorry na, tita. Hindi naman namin alam na about love life mo pala to. Hindi pala talaga madali yung naging pinagdaanan mo, tita. Masakit. Napakasakit. Nang umibig ang iyong puso at nagtiwala. Binigay mo ang lahat. Lahat. Ngunit ikaw ay binigo. Sinaktan at pinalitan. Ay, patawad po, tita. Kung ikaw man ay aming nagambala. Pero sana ang iyong kaluluwa ay matahimik na. At ang puso mo ay pagpapahingahin na rin. Patawad mo. Kung noong ikaw ay nabubuhay pa lamang, ang tanging naramdaman niyo lamang ay tanging pighati at kalungkutan. Ngunit, kahit ngayon man lang ay maramdaman ninyo ang aking pagmamahal. Mahal na mahal kita, Tita Corazon. Mahal na mahal. Ay, okay naman sa pagmamahal na yan. But anyway, tita, mahal na mahal kita.
Okay na, end of the horror movie na. End of grade din kung hindi tayo mag-practice ng Spanish.
Guys, tingnan niyo to. May nakita akong picture sa libro ni tita.
Sino yan? Si Sir Paco to ah.
Oh my God! Wow!
Bakit naman may picture si Sir Paco dito?
Hindi pa tayo tapos, Paco. Magkikita pa tayo.
OMG! So si Sir Paco, ang ex ng